little behind the scenes for you today on Daniel from Mississippi's 2024 Akins Ford F-350 Limited Carbonized Gray Covert Edition. It's a limited, so you see I got that college football playoff limited swag on. Look at this. Woo-hoo, I feel like $1 million today. I got the J's on too, y'all. What you know about that? I feel like just dancing right here for you for many reasons, but for this amazing Covert Edition rendition. Now, haven't got to connect with Daniel. He's coming here shortly to pick it up. Gotta be just seeing our videos and duplicating things that he's seen. And we are 2.5 inch leveled on 35s here, so a different rendition. And like Matt Slats from up north, like some people just love the 35s and it works so well. It gives you, even more throttle response and power and articulation. 35s is a solid option on a Super Duty. So you hear me say all the time about 37, 37, 37. Yes, it's very aesthetically pleasing and does give you more approach angle and departure angle and some other benefits, but this is a statement vehicle because it's a limited bad boy. Now look, up front, you got that brushed aluminum look. It did carbonized gray on the brushed aluminum part. And my favorite grille, because it's got that billet grille style horizontal bar running through there, a gate black. That front emblem combo is so stunning. A gate black and carbonized. Even the edge here too, rolling in carbonized to carbonized. Got the 30-inch rigid light bar. We've mounted up nice and flush. Look how nice and tucked that is. Money setup. That's primo, y'all. Primo. Like perfection. Just like, oh, you got the projectors. You got the agate black around the fog light surround. This is typically brushed aluminum. That's texture. So I did all agate black. Money setup. All of your lower bumper portion. Agate black. Tow hooks as well. Lower trimmer valence. Money setup. Everything's money today, y'all. Let's get it. In carbonized gray, got the Warren OE winch, looking amazing. Our great staff here is doing a great job detailing, and it is so windy out there. I apologize about the noise, but our guys are rocking and rolling, and gals, but this just is a beautiful truck overall as far as how the combo rose. And again, 2.5 inch ready lift coil spring level kit. We got Fox shocks for remote reservoirs. We got 35, 12.5, 20s on fuel blitz wheels, and that gloss wheel matches perfectly, it's perfection with the other agate black attributes. If you had a satin black or a matte black wheel there, it wouldn't be a real deal. Wild Willies legit combo. Now you've seen us do the mirrors several different ways, and you can tell those clearance lights up there, we smoked those also. Didn't do anything in the headlights. I'm not mad about it at all. I'll show you why here in a moment. It kind of ties in with the exhaust out back. And then our little chrome on the fuel there. So you don't have to do that. Some people don't want to, bust open the headlight. Ties in nicely. You got some nice chrome accents to flow with it. You see our provisional ride height sensor, headlights, scales, all work. We got our extended arms there. We installed Wild Willies rock lights. These are the brightest rock lights I've seen. They look so legit, lighting it up. 360 camera, nighttime visibility, so legit. And then the BMC lights. I'm trying to get these bad boys on vehicles for a minute now. A nice way to not have to cut into your bumper, but still get additional rear light set up from Rigid. BMC lights, them boys are great. Very subtle and discreet. Side badge here looks great. We got teardrop down the side, functional heat extractor, carbonized gray, agate black there, limited swag, the 350 in carbonized. I've seen this do, we do this both ways. We do the heat extractor typically, sometimes black, and then do correlate in there, but this to me looks great. Let me know what you think. Either way, it's a money setup because you're tying in where it looks more like it's a part of the vehicle. When it's all chrome and textured, it just does not flow. And then of course the 6.7 on the side, carbonized and agate black, perfect. We wrapped the factory running board there black. This trim piece right here did it as well. Mirrors, I'm a big mirror guy when it comes to black cap and carbonized there. Smoke that. The carbonized has been real popular, doing the whole thing carbonized. Before we go any farther, let's go ahead and step in here and showcase my favorite interior. This and the King Ranch are my favorite. Elegant, premium interior. Seats are so comfortable. It just screams limited status. And with the Covert Edition package, it definitely is that. This side step here, we've seen that you do several different renditions, and it does take a beating as far as right here from the front tire. We see a lot of stuff kick up there, so not mad about this at all, not doing anything to that, but definitely got to do at least this backer portion, body color, whatever application. A trifold bed cover, smoked the rear, did FX4 off-road in matte black. Go America, greatest nation in the world. You know what's up. Again, 35s on 20s. The blitzes looks great. Smoked the tails, and of course the limited applique in Wild Willies fashion. Carbonized on the limited, super duty. Look how elegant. This is the baddest applique because you got a little bit more accents right there. Look at here, boys and girls. Tail lights, money, 50 state compliant, 70% light emitting, factory wheels. Man, just everything's been elevated on this one all the way around. Emblem to go along with it. Carbonized gray, you've seen us do it so much for good reason. It's not going to show scratches that bad or dirt. And then you throw that agate black on there or satin black. A little behind the scenes here as far as showing you what it looks like while we're getting it ready, and our staff's hitting it and getting it. We've got a great system of just the sales staff to the detail department, body shop, service, collision, Wild Willies, everything is all there, y'all. An elegant truck. You think a limited truck is the pinnacle, but then you can throw some Wild Willies Covert Edition action on it, and it's next level. Beautiful, beautiful truck. I'm in love with this one. Leveled on 35s. 2.5-inch leveled on 35s. Great guy from Mississippi. Spencer just crunk it up. I didn't even know this, y'all. It's got the star light. When the light hit the ice, it twinkles and glistens. When you're in a limited truck, you gotta roll with the star light. The Alcantara suede headliner, that's a money setup. I didn't even know it had it, y'all. That's how covert it is. I didn't even know. This is epic. Spencer, what up, Spence? I need to get Spencer on the camera more often. Spencer sold this one. Daniel from Mississippi. Is he here yet?
Yeah, he's down at the shop.
He's down at the shop, so we're about to go reveal it to him. What's he told you? Is he pumped about it, or what?
He drove all night to get here, so he's pretty excited.
That's pretty fire when we got people coming from wherever to do business with us.
Yeah.
How was the process? Did he order this thing a while back?
He ordered this from me. We built it from scratch for him. Once he ordered the truck and put a deposit on it, I got with Walt over at Wild Willies. You can see he decked it out from top to bottom, and then he paid for that part separately.
What's your favorite part of this truck? Like, what do you see on it that you like the best?
I just like for me, I like the contrasting colors, the dark grays with the blacks and the wheels like that, the mirrors and the way they get tied in with the wheels and stuff. It's just really smooth, tough looking, and smooth at the same time.
That's right. Spencer, like, he's a go-to guy. In sales, like, I would trust him with any of my family members, so obviously he'll take care of you in the process. A little Florida guy right here too.
Yep, go Gators.
Oh man, dang it. I wore the Georgia swag today and we got somebody, dang it, Spence. Forget what I said, forget what I said. No, hit Spence up. I'll put his number, if he's cool with it, in the description, his work number. Hit him up for anything auto, y'all. But this is gonna be a pretty special one. Maybe we can get Daniel's reaction when we pull it down to the bottom. Catch y'all next time. Peace out.